Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. First, the derivative of y, we change dy over dx. So dx on denominator of another denominator. So we put dx go to numerator. So that should be about s ds multiply sy over dy. Next, dy go to the right, y will go to the right. For s squared minus 6 go to the left. So that should be about s ds over 4s squared minus 6 equals to dy over y. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 4s squared minus 6. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have as ds. Next, we divide both sides by number 8. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by du over 6 or du over 8. And this one we have 1 over a ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about 4s squared minus 6, and we put about c. So we put this one go in here. This one we change by ln of the absolute value of y, and we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.